wrapping up stage 1 of 2 at our Paddington relining project. We've had a stormwater pipe which had collapsed. The whole stormwater line is about 30 meters long. I'm with Chris and Robbie. It's about 30 meters long, but a lot of the problematic area was between the outlet, which is just under our car there, up until the start of that stairs. Chris and Rob today have done this square here where we found one of the bigger problems, which was an older style. How would you describe this, Rob?
So this is the old school stormwater grade pipe. You used to be able to buy it. It was a lot cheaper per length.
Yep.
The big issue with it is you do need to surround it with 100 mil aggregate all the way around. In this case, it wasn't surrounded with aggregate. It was actually covered with bricks.
Yes.
And as you can see, when they've compacted the driveway, it broke straight through it. We actually don't use this anymore. We actually use sewer grade pipe now for stormwater. You still got to cover it with soft sand, but it's obviously a lot more dense than the old ag style. So yeah, better quality, a bit more expensive per length, but much more worth it.
Okay.
Better job.
So this is stage 1. So we've actually fixed one of the collapses. Now the rest of the pipe is not too bad. Is that right, Chris?
That's right, yeah.
So what we're planning on doing to save costs of digging up the driveway, reinstating concrete and digging up all the way through the house, we're going to use a reline.
That's right.
So we've got a relining.
So we couldn't reline because of this actual...
Yeah. So that breakage was stopping the reline. Now that we've got a clear run from there through to the problem areas, we'll be able to get a reline. A reline is a company who comes and shoots like a resin inside of the internal of the pipe, and it basically becomes a new pipe. Relining this pipe it will become a brand new pipe internally. It's fully warranted and there's many benefits in it. For example, where this line is damaged, you've got sandstone pavers, you've got slabs, you've got stairs. All of this would need to be dug up, smashed up, exposed to repair the pipe, but that won't need to happen now because our new resin is just going to shoot through the middle of the pipe and repair all the minor imperfections. It doesn't fix major imperfections, major collapses and breakages like that, but it will fix and repair all the little stuff, little tiny cracks, movement over the years. So this is just stage 1, and tomorrow we'll show you stage 2 as we'll be prepared for our relining company to come in and do what they do.
Alright, so step 1 is scratching the line and sandpaper from the inside, which gets the stormwater pipe back to normal, of any blemishes.